Team Deathmatch. Mach sie fertig!
Gyrating, simulating sensual acts, stimulating musical tracks. I thought I was just gonna come out tonight and get a brew and relax, but no, when you the party starter, it's like you won't call, you what the doctor ordered. It's like you gotta block the border to the door and shock them when it's boring. Get on the floor. It's the groove aside bomber. Might get my vest tight strapped to my chest like I'ma run up in the party, holler and be like, oh, fulfilling my calling. Big Will, that's my name. Writing rhymes, that's my game. Ask me again and I'll tell you the same. Look, just write your number right next to your name, girl. Oh, I'm the party starter. You might have a good time, but we party hard. So tell the DJ to play my song and we can dance all night to the early morning. Oh, I'm the party starter. You might have a good time, but we party hard. So tell the DJ to play my song and we can dance all night to the early morning. He was raised in the days when the roof was raised and every rap occasion new and amazing. The back up the stages, amazed and gazing, praying for the day they would one day praise him. Studied the ways of the game and made it. Came through the maze and the haze and played it perfect. Days any person hated and cursed him. He was unfazed, he waited, it was worth it. He never retaliated, he saved it, slaving on the road blazing. Days when he was low, nothing could raise him. It came to the show and something uncaged in him. Like the Pope of this party crusade, I'm like braids that's never gonna fade, you heard? I'm like 23s on an Escalade. Throw me into the rave like you threw a grenade. Boom. No, I'm the party starter. You might have a good time, but we party hard. So tell the DJ to play my song and we can dance all night to the early morning. Oh, I'm the party starter. You might have a good time, but we party hard. So tell the DJ to play my song and we can dance all night to the early morning. I call for the days of the unadulterated, when the artistry was cultivated. You know, back when rap was smart and multi-layered. We could rap without A&Rs and ultimatums. Damn. Now today I say a phrase along for the good old days when the party was all about partying. I was a mini party starter then. My mind bends when I call my pen. The big question: should I run the mind, a fiddle, food for thought, or dumb the rhyme a little? But will, if you come too high, that'll alienate folks and they won't buy it. Yo, look, people getting trapped in the track and they be clapping even when the rapping is whack. Yo, what happened? When did we get happy for that? He old fashioned, but let's be happy he's back. You heard me? Oh, I'm the party starter. You might have a good time, but we party hard. So tell the DJ.
I found my way in right before the match, and I don't count eggs, nah, not before they hatch. Before the record probably wouldn't leave with a scratch, cause you people couldn't cut it even if you had an accent. It's been a hell of a year, now I'm in heaven. Back with another one, now I'm 11. Fuck it, who's counting? Money is a mountain. I'm trying to pay your Miller House, Mr. Van Houten. I'm talking ballin', sobbing. How could they doubt this fire? Robbing me of everything that I deserve. I'm a chef, I'm a serve, cause I make them eat their words. Split it up in thirds, now Henderson, I plan to take it all. Put my dreams on hold, now I plan to take the call. Know that I'm what the game was missing when it gets the grain, so I know you feel the friction. Took the dark days, made them bright lights. Died for this shit, so I live for the nights. Head up in the clouds till I'm sitting on the flights. Everything is all good, everything is alright. Got me feeling like the greatest, yeah. And I know that I ain't there, and they probably gon' hate this, yeah. But you should know that I don't care, no, I don't care. But we so close, see through them all, yeah, I swear they so ghost. They was wishing for the blogs, fucking bitching like dogs. On the real, I wish a nigga would, fishing with the logs. Against all laws, man, this life was appealing. Wouldn't lend a hand if it was cars they was dealing, so I had to figure out how I'm gon' get them checks. I got a plan B, unprotected.